What's up, hungry people? Thanks for finding my channel Forkin Around. My name is Sean and I'm the host of the channel, and I truly hope that this video finds you and your family happy and healthy. I decided to start this channel because I have a passion for healthy eating and healthy living. I've been wanting to start this channel now for some time, but I get wrapped up in working and having a family, and I just haven't found the time. If this quarantine has taught me anything, it's that we might as well use this time to do something that we love. I figure there's no better time than now, so here we are. I've been a health and PE teacher now for 15 years, and I've picked up a lot of strategies along the way, and I want to share those with you. I'll be talking to you about ingredients and methods, such as why you may want to choose organic vegetables over conventionally grown, and why you might want to choose organic and grass-fed meats over conventionally raised. Not only have I been teaching for 15 years now, but I've also been cooking for friends and family for 20. I'll be sharing with you recipes and strategies from books that I've read over the years and ones that I'm still learning from, as well as recipes that I've created myself and have perfected over the years. Cooking can be a great escape, and there's no better feeling in the world like cooking for people that you love. I don't claim to be the best cook in the world, and I have no formal training, but I have been doing this for quite some time now, and I've picked up a lot along the way. I also don't claim to know everything about YouTube, and I'm only using iMovie to edit my videos currently, so they're probably going to look like the ones from 5 to 10 years ago. But I promise I'll work hard to put out good content that hopefully you can learn from. I truly hope that you enjoy my recipes with people that you love. Please subscribe to my channel so we can take this journey together. I hope that you and your loved ones are staying happy and healthy out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone.